Hello, I wish I had read 14 flag red warning. You are about to eat at a bad restaurant before. Well, 1 month ago, I went with my coworkers for lunch at Chief New Moon. To start, there weren't enough table everyone, so we had to put the table together. And on the other hand, the service was so slow by the time. Then the waiter took about 20 minutes for to bring the orders. He answered us in a rude and informal way when we had complained about the delay. He said the tension delays and we had to keep waiting. I had felt very indignant about the treatment received, and we had claimed him, but he left. In the end, we had very disconfirm, and we didn't tip him.